was all you wanted. We'll be forever, yeah, you said. I guess those words don't mean the same to you.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very fun video using lipsticks. I know, and if you guys know me, lipsticks are something I live for. I'm a lipstick hoarder. I love lipsticks like crazy, and you know, if lipsticks were a person, I would probably marry them. Over the years, I started using lipstick. College ke, after my college was over, after I started working is when I actually started to use lipsticks, and there has been no looking back ever since. So these are some hacks, or these are some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years of using lipsticks, and I've developed a taste for myself. There are some of the things that I was doing before when I was applying lipstick, and I want to talk about them as well. But these are my tried and tested tricks and tips that I think will be extremely helpful if you're somebody who loves applying lipsticks, and somebody who's as crazy as me, who hoards lipsticks and is always looking for ways to make their lipsticks look so much better. I don't know how many times I said lipstick in this sentence, but that's how much I love lipsticks. Quick disclaimer, this video is not going to talk about how you should moisturize your lips before you're going to apply a lipstick, or you should use a lip scrub regularly or every day and use it as a part of your daily routine, because I am somebody who practices what I preach, and that's not something I do. You should definitely do it. I have tried doing it. I did not see a lot of difference in doing that step or not, so I chose not to do it. I'm not going to include, that you should put a hydrating lip balm underneath your lips, or you should be scrubbing them. No, we're strictly going to talk business, and we're only going to talk about lipsticks and how you can make them look so much more better. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. The hack number one is, if you have pigmented lips just like I do and you want to go for a lighter shade of lipstick, I'll show you in a bit how it looks in a normal world. So this is what a lighter nude color lipstick looks like, and you can see that even though it, I have applied it correctly, it kind of, जो पिगमेंटेशन है ना लिप्स का, वो अभी भी नहीं छुप रहा है. सो यू कैन सी दैट लाइट कलर का जो लिपस्टिक है उसके पीछे डार्कर शेड ऑफ लिप्स जो है दैट इज स्टिल गेटिंग एक्सेंचुएटेड. और ये बिल्कुल, स्पेशली यहाँ ये देखिए, तो एक बिल्कुल ओपेक अच्छा फिनिश नहीं आ पा रहा है. सो माई हैक नंबर वन इज गोइंग टू बी, इफ योर लिप्स आर एज डार्क एज माइन, so you should definitely use a concealer under your lipstick so that the actual color of the lipstick pays off really nicely. तो अगर आप नोटिस करोगे तो मेरे लिप्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन है, यहाँ पे बहुत डार्क है. इन द सेंटर इज़ द ओनली, द सेंटर इज़ द ओनली एरिया जहाँ पे ये थोड़े से पिंक हैं. अदरवाइज द वेरी डार्क फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. ऊपर वाला लिप तो पूरा ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा डार्क है. सो आई विल शो यू इन अ बिट how I make my lipstick still work, especially the lighter nude colors that I wear. So in order to do that, I will apply hack number one, which is using a concealer. So I have this NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan. So you would want to use a concealer that is like a close match to your actual skin color. तो बहुत ज़्यादा light भी नहीं लेने की ज़रूरत है. Just exactly the same color is fine. So what I'm gonna do is, मैंने ये पिक किया यहाँ पर, and I'm just going to apply it. Now once I have the concealer on, I'm going to go ahead and grab the lipstick. So the color that I'm using is Faces Ultime Pro in the shade Cashmere. So what I'll do is I will apply this lipstick, and you're gonna see that I will not have those harsh lines showing up in my lips anymore. And there you go. You can see यहाँ पर जो पहले dark दिख रहा था, all of that is now gone. It is definitely very opaque and very uniform, consistent color payoff. Hack number two is, if you want your lipstick to last longer and you're not somebody who likes touching up your lipstick, definitely use a lip liner under your lips. so that your lipstick stays put और आपको बार बार टच अप करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. So what I'm gonna do is I picked up these two lipsticks combination में. ये जो लिप लाइनर है ये है नायका लिप्स डोंट लाई इन द शेड चॉकलेट बॉय, और ये जो लिपस्टिक है मेरे पास दिस इज कलर पॉप लिक्विड लिपस्टिक इन द शेड फ्यूगो. और ये दोनों जो लिपस्टिक और लिप लाइनर्स हैं दे आर वेरी सिमिलर इन कलर टू ईच अदर. सो आई एम गोना अप्लाई द लिप लाइनर फर्स्ट फॉलोड बाय द लिपस्टिक एंड माई लिपस्टिक इज गोना स्टे पुट थ्रू आउट एंड आउट. There you go. That's how my lipstick looks after I have applied a lip liner underneath and the lipstick over the top. Let's say you have picked up a lipstick but after you apply it you realize कि ये color आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा light है and it's not suiting you at all. So you definitely need to own a brown lip liner. Don't be fooled by the size. ये इतना छोटा इसलिए हो गया है बिकॉज आई हैव हैड दिस लिप लाइनर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. दिस इज Maybelline कलर सेंसेशनल आई थिंक रेंज का ये लिप लाइनर था एंड आई थिंक आई हैव दिस लाइन विथ मी फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 or 4 years और मैंने इसे इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड पेंसिल और ये इतनी छोटी हो गई है और दूसरी वाली भी अराउंड इसी साइज की है. सो it doesn't matter आप कौन सा brand pick करते हो, just pick any dark brown lip liner and what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply the lipstick that you bought first and top it up with the liner. So the lipstick that I'm gonna be using for showing you this hack is Jaclyn USA Matte Magic in the shade Miss Popular number 17. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my lips. And there you go. So if I use just this lipstick by itself, तो आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी मेरे को वॉश आउट कर रही है मेरे जो लिप्स हैं एंड काइंड ऑफ ब्लेंडिंग इन. वॉश आउट मतलब व्हेन योर लिप कलर इज ब्लेंडिंग इन विद द कलर ऑफ योर चीक्स एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ योर फेस. माई लिप्स आर टोटली ब्लेंडिंग इन टू द चीक्स. This is called when you're getting like washed out. I'm getting totally washed out in this lipstick, but it's my favorite color. Of course when I mix it up with a lip liner. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have picked up this tiny little bacha kucha Maybelline ka ye dark brown lip liner and I'm just gonna डोंट वरी हम इनको ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ देंगे. आई नो बैक इन द डे जब मुझे बहुत शौक था लिपस्टिक लगाने का और लिप लाइनर्स का ages ago when I was a kid, तो मैं ऐसे लिपस्टिक लगाती थी. And I would go happily to places and I see a lot of other women doing it too. ये काफ़ी no tip है लिपस्टिक लगाने की. So definitely we are not going to leave my lips like this. What we're going to do is after I have lined my lips ये dark brown liner से, I'm just going to use my finger and blend all of that in. And there you go. Now that lipstick looks so much better than before. और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये कहीं फैल गई है, जैसे a little bit I feel कि यहाँ पर हल्का सा ये सा spread हो गई है लिपस्टिक. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a little bit of foundation and just clean it a little bit. And that's it. जो पहले बहुत ही washed out सा look लग रहा था, अब it is still looking a little subtle. अगर आपको लगता है कि you will be more comfortable doing this step instead of using your fingers, going in with a brush, feel free to do that. I just feel it just makes it a lot more easier and quicker when I use my fingers. I get more control when I do that. So that is why I use my fingers to go ahead and blend it. So that's my hack now. Even if it is a pink shade, a brown lip liner goes with everything once you blend it in. So definitely get yourself one. My hack number 4, I didn't want to put it on number 4, but ये जो lipstick है Jaclyn वाला, it just gets stuck in your lips. बहुत easily निकलती नहीं है ये. So I'll have to bring in my hack number 4 now, and that is in order to remove your lipstick. And if you don't have a makeup remover, just use any oil that you have. What I use is this bio oil. ये मैंने अपनी प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे अपने स्ट्रेच मार्क्स पे लगाने के लिए लिया था, बट एज लेजी एज आई एम मैंने ये लिया एंड आई नेवर यूज्ड इट. सो नाउ आई मेक अ यूज आउट ऑफ दिस लाइक दिस. सो बस थोड़ा सा यू टेक अ टिश्यू और अ कॉटन क्लॉथ और उस पर हल्का सा बस ये ऑयल लगाया एंड दैट्स इट. सी, और आपकी लिपस्टिक बिल्कुल आराम से निकल जाएगी विदाउट एनी टगिंग और पुलिंग. So hack number 5 is, if you have thinner lips and you want to give yourself an illusion of a little more plumper lips without going through a surgery, or without taking any Botox or injections or anything, I have a really tried and tested trick, and this is exactly how I put my lipstick every single time. And this is the trick that I use every single day for applying lipsticks. I'll show it to you in a bit. And that's it. So this was my pre-hack life, and this is how I applied lipstick before I found out this amazing hack. As you can see, it's not looking any bad. ठीक ही लग रहा है. But then here's the final hack of how you can make your lips look a lot more bigger, a lot more plumper, and a lot more fuller. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to slightly overline my lip, and in fact, let me do this. एक साइड पे I'll tell you or I'll show you how I usually overline my lip, and the other side I'll show you how not to go overboard. Because जब हम overline करते हैं, a lot of times we just get carried away, और drag queens लगने लग जाते हैं हम, and the lipstick यहाँ से लेके पूरा nose तक पहुंच जाती है. I'm just kidding, but it looks really funny. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and show you first on this side how I usually put my lipstick, and on this side I'm going to go ahead and overline my lips like crazy. तो आई होप आप देख सकते हो, आफ्टर आई हैव ओवरलाइंड माई लिप्स, दिस इज हाउ आई यूजुअली पुट माई लिपस्टिक. तो आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही स्लाइटली मैंने यहाँ से इसको उठाया है अपनी लिपस्टिक को, सो दैट द क्यूपिड बो, बहुत हल्की सी क्यूपिड बो के ऊपर आई हैव टेकन माई लिपस्टिक. और अगर आप नीचे वाला लिप देखो तो नीचे वाले लिप में भी आई हैव जस्ट गॉटन अहेड and overline them slightly so that it still follows the shape of my lips. And now I'm going all crazy on this side of my lip and show you how you can totally go wrong with this hack. So beware, keep that in mind when you are putting this lipstick and trying to overline your lip. So here you go. How would you know अगर आपने ज़्यादा अपने लिप्स को ओवरलाइन कर लिया है? So if you compare this side with this side, आप देखोगे कि ये वाली साइड में एक ये जो एज है ना लिप्स की, that is very clearly visible. While ये वाली साइड में वो जो एज है, वो the corners of your lips are not that visible और इतने evitable नहीं है. अगर आप अपना लोअर लिप देखो, when you press your lips, कितना obvious difference है यहाँ पर. See, so that is how you can go totally wrong with this hack number 5. So another hack, if you have a glossy lipstick that you absolutely love, but the problem is कि आपको उसको matte करना है, या you want to make it last a little longer, क्योंकि you know, just like this lipstick that I'm wearing, I think this is a stunning shade and it's very creamy, very moisturizing and everything, but I know this is just going to transfer and move over all the places. So if I'm going for a coffee, ये पूरी lipstick निकल के coffee पे आ जाएगी, and eventually I'll have to touch it up again, which I absolutely hate. I don't like touching up my lipsticks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a hack by which you can make this lipstick a little more matte and not make it as transfer proof. So let me give you like a kiss test first. Let me just show you how transferable this is. So on my fist, I'm just gonna, and see, this transfers like crazy. पूरे lips से हट चुकी है, you can see that, right? So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go ahead and apply a little bit of lipstick again because पूरी निकल गई है, and then I'm gonna show you how I can make it last longer. For this, you need some toilet paper. It's not gross, it's a clean toilet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a little bit of toilet paper or a tissue paper, just a little bit of this, and I am going to fold it. And the thing that I'm going to use with this toilet paper is translucent powder. So the one that I have is from Sugar, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on my lips and dab the powder on top of it. As you can see now, the lipstick has definitely turned into a more matte version. So that's another hack that you can use in order to make your lipstick last a little longer and add it or mattify it a little bit. What I'm going to talk about is make any lipstick work, be it a very light shade, be it you know, a shade that washes you out, using a brown lipstick. So let's say I have this pink lipstick on, it's not my kind of color, and you know, I brought it, so I'm using it, but I would still want to make it look nice and still want to make it wearable. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to use my favorite NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick in the shade Teddy, and I'm just going to apply it on top of this lipstick. And there you go, voila. I kind of have created a new nude shade for myself and definitely made that bright pink lipstick work a lot more better for somebody like me who loves nude shades. So there you go. So this is definitely one of the things that you would want to add to your vanity in order to make it more multifunctional, and just work with the things that you have and still be able to use the makeup that you brought from your hard-earned money. And by the way, I use this hack all the time. Most of the times, the lipstick that I buy and absolutely love, I love to still transition the shades by using either this lipstick as a lipstick topper or my NYX in the shade NYX Soft Matte lipstick in the shade Dubai. And I keep transforming the lipsticks that I wear. And a lot of you keep asking me what lipstick am I wearing. Most of the time it might be any lipstick topped up with this one. So definitely grab this as soon as you're able to. So that's it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to click on that like button. These tips and tricks I absolutely swear by. In fact, the lipstick that I'm wearing right now is exactly, you know, I'm wearing it using exactly the same tips and tricks that I talked about in this video earlier. So this is something I swear by, this is something I live by, and if any time you think why my lipstick is looking perfect, it's because of this reason. And I am somebody who totally believes that, you know, you don't need to have a lot of things in order to, you know, in order to look good, or in order to make something look perfect. You can work your way with the things that you already have. And I think investing in a good brown lipstick and lip liner is a definite key, and you know, it is going to be such a good investment for you that you should definitely go ahead and do that. I'm not saying you need to buy a very expensive brown lipstick or a very expensive lip liner. You don't need to, but just any that works best for you. These are the ones that work best for me. Let me know in the comments below what are the ones that you like, or that you've been using, and I'll be happy to include that in my routine as well. So till then, stay home, stay safe.